Welcome to Loopdedoo. We're going to show you how to make twisted friendship bracelets, or as we like to call them, loopdies. You'll need a Loopdedoo kit. The kit comes with a Loopdedoo spinning tool, complete with push-out drawer for storing your gear, and 18 skeins of embroidery thread. Start by picking one of the basic looping styles, or you can pick more than one style and combine them into one loopdee. Pick any color combination you like, and as many threads as you want. Loopdies can be thick or thin, and made with one thread or dozens. Begin by gathering all your threads together and double knotting them onto a hook. Now create a core for the bracelet by loosely wrapping your threads around the hooks until you have the thickness you want. Wrap as little as 3 times for a thin loopdee, all the way up to 23 wraps for a thick one. Be sure to stop wrapping at the end opposite from your starter knot. Looping thread is what you'll wrap around the core to create the design. Continue to wrap around the hooks to measure your looping thread. The number of times you do this is based on the thickness of your core and can be found in the written instructions. Now cut the thread off the skeins. Next, remove the looping thread from the hooks, but leave the core thread on the hooks. At the hook opposite your starter knot, hold all the threads together, place your looping threads over the top, then pull them through. About a finger's width away from the hook, pull it tight. Then, put your looping thread through the loop you just created. Loop it through itself so it creates a knot, and pull it tight. Your Loopdedoo is now threaded, and it's time to loop away. Hold the looping thread and guide it along the core as you turn the handle. Be sure to always keep the looping threads pulled taut so you get a nice tight wrap. It helps to hold your hand close to the bracelet as you go. You can use either handle and either hand to guide the thread, so use whichever's most comfortable for you. For instructions on how to make the 6 different looping styles, please take a look at our style video. When you reach the desired length, tie a double loop knot. Just hold the finished threads in place, put your looping threads over the top, pull them through, pull tight, and repeat. Then cut the threads close to the hook by the starter knot, but don't cut the looping threads. Next, separate all the threads in half, making sure there are some looping threads in each half. Then tie a tight single knot. Tie on your loopdee by putting half of the thread through the attachment loop and tying a tight double knot. Go ahead and make another. It's fast and fun. With the Loopdedoo, you can even make longer accessories like necklaces, belts, and more. Then share your creations with us on our Facebook page. We can't wait to see what you make.